Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you guys can see, I just tried something different with my hair. I did a coil out for my very first time. I love how it came out. I am now, like, I feel like I've been asleep. Like, I woke up and I'm amazed. Like, I love how beautiful my hair looks. It looks very tamed. It's nice. I don't know, I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I did struggle. I was struggling to like do it at first, and I had to figure out a way to fix it. Like, you're gonna see all of that, but I feel like it's worth the work, and I feel like this will definitely last me a good 2 weeks. So if you're looking for a protective style or just you don't want to have to wash your hair so often, I recommend that you do this because it will last. So yeah, this is how my hair looks pre-wash. I have to make sure that I deep condition it because I just got a color, and once I'm done washing it, I'm going to part my hair in a horseshoe shaping or a U shaping, and I'm gonna do that section last. I'm gonna just start off by damping my hair and then adding product, and I'm going to then I'm gonna just start twisting. So this is when I finished the bottom part of my hair. I did notice that I missed some spots, but I went back to it later. But this is how it looks so far. I really thought I was doing something. It's a judge-free zone over here, so don't be judging my dance moves. If y'all want, we could battle. But, you know, once you do your hair, you listening to the music, and if there's a mirror in front of you, you know you're about to have a concert. And I know I'm not the only girl who does this. So for those of you who know how to do finger coils and you're cringing watching this video, this is not a tutorial. It's just my experience on trying out a new hairstyle. Trust me, I learned later that I wasn't close enough to the scalp. I'm going back to fix the ones that I didn't get close enough to the scalp. So I'm going back to redo those. They all started falling apart. Not only were they falling apart, but I also did learn that I have different textures in my hair, and you're going to be able to see that once my hair is fully dry. Good morning. So this is how my hair looks fully dry. I know it looks kind of wild and kind of crazy, but I'm gonna get all of that together. I'm just gonna section off my hair, and then I'm going to start taking them apart like so. I'm gonna continue to do that throughout my whole head, and then I'll be right back with the finished product. So this is the finished look of my hair. I love how it turned out. This is something I'm gonna continue to do and perfect. But as you guys can see, for my first time, I did a great job. So if you guys wanna see more natural hair videos, let me know.